Welcome to Naturalhub, where we are dedicated to health and wellness. Today, we're delving into the incredible benefits of lentils, specifically tailored for women over 50. Let's explore how this superfood can elevate your health journey. Lentils are a nutritional powerhouse, offering a diverse range of essential nutrients that are especially beneficial for women in their 50s and beyond. Let's break down these benefits. Lentils are rich in plant-based protein, making them an excellent choice for women over 50 who may need more protein to support muscle maintenance and overall vitality. Additionally, the high-fiber content in lentils promotes digestive health and can help manage cholesterol levels. One standout benefit of lentils is their impact on heart health. They contain folate, potassium, and magnesium, all of which contribute to a healthy heart by supporting blood pressure regulation and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. For women over 50, maintaining energy levels and a healthy metabolism is key. Lentils provide a steady source of complex carbohydrates, along with essential vitamins and minerals like iron, which is crucial for energy production and combating fatigue. Moreover, lentils offer unique benefits for bone health. They are rich in phosphorus, manganese, and zinc, nutrients that contribute to maintaining strong bones and reducing the risk of age-related bone disorders like osteoporosis. Incorporating lentils into your diet can also support weight management goals. Their high fiber content promotes feelings of fullness, reduces cravings, and aids in maintaining a healthy weight. Whether you enjoy lentils in soups, salads, stews, or as a plant-based protein alternative, they offer a delicious and nutritious addition to your meals, supporting overall well-being and vitality. So, if you're a woman over 50 looking to optimize your health, consider adding lentils to your grocery list. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on nourishing your body and living your best life. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video where we explore more superfoods and wellness strategies. Until then, keep thriving and embracing a healthy lifestyle.